know about sales tax. Sales tax refers to when it is added to the sales price of a good or service, and it is charged by the retailer to the end consumer. According to United States, sales tax in the United States are tax based on the sale or lease of goods and services in the United States. Here, sales tax is governed at the state level and no national general sales tax exists. Let's set up sales tax center. At first, we can click Get Started. Then business address. Next, we can see that for tax rate, name and tax date. We select official agency name for California tax rate. We can select any state such as Alabama Department of Revenue, after that we can select other state such as Colorado Department of Revenue for provincial tax rate or PST. Then select any city such as Colorado Central City. Here we can see active dates. So save. Continue. Again continue. After that, we can click View Sales Tax Center. For Colorado Central City, we can select monthly frequency. Then click Next Agency. For Alabama Department of Revenue, we can select quarterly. Click Next Agency. For California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, we can select half yearly. Next agency, Colorado Department of Revenue. We can select yearly. Save this. Now we can see local tax rate for Colorado Central City. Then it is provincial tax rate, Alabama Department of Revenue. Select that California Department of Tax and Fee. That means VST. At last, it is local basis tax rate. We can click more details. After that, we can see details. Any tax rate. So, it is very easy process.